Hi, and welcome to Big Time in D9, the theme for this year's Southeast District 9 4-H Roundup. A 3-day event where we'll be hosting most of the year-ending contests for our 4-H young people. If you're watching this video, you're probably already entered in the contest. So a few things that I want you to know about that weekend. Number one, it's going to be a family event. If you entered, we want you to bring mom, dad, and the family and have fun with the rest of us. So your entry fee to this contest is your ticket to get the whole family in. So come join us April 15th, 16th, and 17th. We'll be in Huntsville, Texas at the Veterans Museum just off of Interstate 45 and Highway 75 on the north side of Huntsville. Part of that complex is also a storm shelter. It's a really big building where we'll be hosting most of the competitive events. April 15th, 16th, and 17th, just a couple of things that you need to know about that weekend. One, your whole family's invited. Two, don't forget those eligibility forms. We're committed to making sure that our young people in the 4-H program are also academically eligible and that we keep a really good relationship with our school districts and that they're approving extracurricular participation in the 4-H program. So bring those eligibility forms with you. 3, we will have a registration table set up at the main event. If you're competing, no matter what contest area you're in, come to the main registration, bring your eligibility form, get your name tag, and you'll be ready to go to your competition area. A little overview of the schedule so you can know what to expect. April 15th, we'll be kicking things off at noon on Friday with our food challenge there at the facility. That'll go from noon to 5 o'clock. Educational presentations will kick off about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're actually going to be hosting those at a school that's right down the street, but you got to come to the main building and check in so you can get your directions and know which area to go to. And also at the main building, we're going to be hosting our scientific discovery displays and our fashion storyboards. So all those competitions go on April 15th, that's Friday, and we'll end the whole day up with a barbecue and a dance and fun for all. April 16th is when we're going to have our food show, fashion show, share the fun, and all the quiz bowls. So a big day of packed events on Saturday. We'll kick things off at 8 o'clock in the morning with our food show, 1 o'clock in the afternoon with our fashion show. Quiz bowls will be going on throughout the afternoon. Now I know for some of you that are coming to compete, you may be in more than one event. We've worked really hard to try to schedule things that weekend so that you can go early in one contest and late in another and still get them both done. If you see that you have a conflict that's really going to put you in a bind, make sure your contest chairman knows about it so they can work with you to get you juggled around. Saturday evening at our awards assembly, we're going to see the top 4 Share the Fun acts. It'll be the judge's choice. Their 4 favorite from the whole day will be put on stage for entertainment that evening, along with a fashion style show. So the young people that competed in the fashion show earlier that morning will be on display on the big stage that evening. And of course, we're going to end, like every good 4-H event, Saturday evening we're going to have a dance. Now Sunday we're going to start the day with an inspiration, and after that inspiration, the only contest left is our Consumer Decision Making Contest. Consumer Decision Making Contest will run throughout the late morning, and we'll have the awards program at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now I know I didn't answer all of your questions, but I hope I've at least given you a good overview, and if nothing else, provided you a strong invitation to tell mom, dad, brother, and sister to come out and see what the District 9 4-H Roundup is all about. I also want to ask you to RSVP. We'll have meals on Friday and Saturday night. There'll be a donation bucket set out. We're asking that you throw in just a little to help us cover the meals. But send us back the RSVP that you'll find on this website so that we can make sure that we have adequate supplies for everybody. Once again, that's April 15th, 16th, 17th, Huntsville, Texas. Big Time in D9, Southeast District 9 4-H Roundup. We want to see you there.